So the BSR for this book is 416. When I hit calculate, the sales is about 4,000 sales per month and 267 sales per day. And when I go to calculate the royalties, I already filled this up prior to making the video, but I'm going to show you where I got it from. So list price is 972 and page count 105. Hit calculate. So this amount of royalties made approximately is 3.68. So back to our calculator, 3.68 times number of sales per month, 4,000. Let's start per day, 267. So times 267, that gives us $982 per day, and per month is 3.68. 3.68 times, I think 4,002. Yeah, 4,002 times 4122. All right. Now, this book is making approximately $40,727 per month. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that niche is and where you can get interiors for in this niche. So if that is something you will like to watch, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button too, and turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, let's go. Guys, before I tell you what the niche is, I just want to quickly make an announcement that I'm going to be doing my videos during the weekend. Releasing my videos during the weekend. So Friday is going to be for KDP, Saturday is going to be for other ways to make money online, then Sunday is going to be for print on demand. That's top 5 niches of the week. So guys, here's a niche. It's called, actually I did some Google Translate because it's in the German marketplace, and I'm not a German, so I don't understand German. So I use Google Translate to translate for me, and actually, this was a review that I translated, but let's see what this title is saying. What I'm trying to do is look for books in all marketplaces that are doing well, because sometimes a book might be doing well in one marketplace and you don't have them in other marketplaces. So it's like an advantage for you to upload it, to be the first to upload it to the next marketplace like Amazon.com. So this book says it's a reading block for 5 years olds. The Great Riddle Fun for children, labyrinths, finding mistakes, preschool exercises. So it's a huge activity book that has labyrinths, riddles, finding mistakes, preschool exercises, logical thinking, and much more. The big A4 puzzle book for girls and boys. So it's a huge activity book for kids, has all types of activities inside, finding mistakes, um, puzzles and things like that. Even mazes too. So here's the rank that I did in the beginning of the video, right here, 416. As you can see, that's where I got it from. And this book price, here's the price, that's where I got it from. So let's take a look inside. Let's see what this book is all about. So I did some quick scrolling before the video, but this is it. Inside, I think we're spotting a mistake or something. This one too. Then you have this one too. So that's all we could see, not much, but as you can see from the title, it tells us exactly what the book is. So I went down to some the ratings. People were complaining about something, especially this lady here gave a 2 stars. So I did a copy and paste on Google Translate to see exactly what she was complaining about. And she says she finds the puzzles too easy for 5 years old. I don't see any preparation for the start of school. As described on the back, the solutions on the back are also too easy for the child to see. Should at least be on the head. I don't know what you mean by that. Maybe it's the translation that didn't go well. Child turns the page one solution there. Solutions also partially faulty, e.g. the bunny photo that should have been noticed when it was created. My conclusion not worth the money. So this woman is complaining about putting the solutions for uh, the child can see the solutions in the place that they put it. I'm sure that they put the, because she says that then the child turns the page one solution there. So I'm sure that for each, um, let's take for example for each puzzle, when they have the puzzle on the right page, you turn the page and you see the solution to the puzzle on the left page. So, in my humble opinion, I'm thinking that um, this person should put the solutions to the puzzles at the back of the page, like at the end of the page, on the back of the book. Let me put it that way. In the back of the book, I recommend that that's where you should put your solutions page, because people don't like their kids. For example, if you're making a book for a kid, they don't like when their kids can easily just flip the page and they see the solution there. Then it's not quite helpful. So that was one thing that we got from this video or the book, that we shouldn't do that. And she was pointing some other things there. I'm not sure what she was doing. Anyway, but this other review is a positive one. Let's take a look at it. There's a top positive and a top negative. Let's take a look at what they are doing good and what the mistakes they are making. So this person says, Amazon customer. All right, okay. Perfect for travel and family celebrations. Review from Germany. Okay. This puzzle pad was perfect for my godchild during a family celebration. He kept working on it for 30 to 45 minutes at a time. Especially, he loved the numerous labyrinth pictures in which you have to find your way, a very good alternative to tablets and co. So, talking about the interiors, how you can create this, I have a tool that I've been using for years, and that I'm not sure you guys are new to this tool. This tool is called Puzzleways. I've been talking a lot about it because it's the best tool out there that can make puzzles at a go, and very affordable. And the fact that it has so many puzzles is another thing that I recommend. So you have Sudoku puzzle, Norikabe, crossword puzzles, word search, hangman, cryptogram. So here are different videos. If you want to watch them, you can just quickly watch them if you don't know how to create these puzzles or these games. But what I want to focus on today is a maze. So I'm just going to come here, scroll down and go to maze, click on it. So guys, I'm going to click bleed, then hit the size 8.5 by 11. Double-sided, I'm going to leave it like that. Then pages, I'm going to leave it at 5. So I included all of these, included solutions, match page, puzzle, and solution page numbers, then page number. So click all of these and hit submit, and it says your document is being processed. So the reason why I'm clicking all of this is because the customer complained that they wanted, or that the child could easily find the solutions. So what we're doing is that we're placing it on the back of the book, so it's going to be a little bit difficult for the child to know. So click open. Here's a maze that has been generated. So these are the first few pages. I did 5 to make it easy. So when I come here to 5, or the 6th page, it says solutions. So we're putting the solutions on the back of the page, of the back of the book. So here are solutions, guys. It shows you exactly how to get to the maze. So the different solutions. And if you can see here, let me scroll down. You'll see the page number. So it says 1. That means it's the first puzzle. And next is the second puzzle. But if you go back to the first puzzle itself, you see that 1 is also the first puzzle. So it's matching the solutions to the page of the puzzle to the solutions of the puzzle, so they're the same. So guys, this is it for Puzzleways. If you want to do a mega fun book like this one right here, the one we're talking about, I think it's what, 416 pages. If you want to do it, what you have to do is just combine all of these puzzles: mind finder, missing vowel, word scramble, cryptogram, all of this. You can combine all of them and you'll get 416 pages, and you can start uploading it to KDP. So if you're interested in Puzzleways, there's a link, the first link in the description below. You can click on it and you can use the code make money online, all lowercase letters, to get a 20% discount. So guys, just a quick reminder again, I'm going to be posting videos only on the weekend. Starting on Friday today, I'm going to be doing KDP. On Saturday, I'm going to be doing other make money online videos, other ways that you can make money online. Then on Sunday, I'm going to be posting videos about print on demand as the top 5 mysteries of the week. So stay tuned, guys. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.